In this video, we're going to use Cisco Packet Tracer to view PDU, which is a protocol data unit, information sent between a client and a server. So here's our client, which is you sitting at your desk at home or at work or whatever, and here's a web server you're requesting some sort of service from. So all we need to do is go to the simulation tab here, and the filters we want are HTTP and TCP enabled right down here. And then make our little data unit here. We want to click on the client because this is our source. We're not going to ping the server. We're going to use HTTP. And then for our destination, we just need to click the server, and DNS will automatically give us the IP address. Our starting source port is going to be 1000. And we'll view that later. So here's our little PDU ready to be launched across our network and out across however many networks it takes to get to the server that we want. So if we just hit play here, it'll take off. And what happens here is HTTP is uses TCP. So what happens is not only does it have to verify the connectivity between the client and the server, but once it sends information to the server sends information back verifying that it received the information. So just a basic example, if the client or PC sends one, I've sent packet 1, the server receives it and it sends the acknowledgement back, I received packet 1. And so on and so forth. And that's what this event list is. It's just each little thing, each little stop along the way is being recorded. And here in a second, once it's done, we will be able to use the event list to check information. As we'll be able to click one of the lines in here, and it will show us where the envelope was for there. If we click this remote switch, it's going to show us here's where I was, and then we'll be able to check we'll be able to check the MAC addresses for the source and destination, what ports it was using, that sort of stuff. So our simulation is finished, and so we can scroll anywhere up in this list we want. So let's just pick this one right here. Or wait, I think I wanted this one down here. So here's our envelope. If we click the envelope, it's going to show us what layer we were. We learned about the layers. This one, and we'll go through a couple, and you'll notice that we'll be at different layers for each one. But this one, if we want to click inbound, here's our destination MAC address, our source MAC address. The source IP is right here. The destination IP, you'll notice, is private, so we're on this side. And then here's the source port, destination port. Same thing you can check for the outbound. Let's go to a different one. Let's try so here our envelope is moved over to here now, and you'll notice before we were on layer 4, now we're only on layer 2. We can check the MAC addresses again. These are always included in the header of the frame of the packet. Here's the source IP and destination IP and the ports again. And you can go through and you could check each and every single one of these, and you could just literally follow the packet across. So the packet left the client, it's at the remote switch. Now it's over here. See how it's just traveling across? And each one of these you could click on here it's coming back, and you could check. You could go in here and see, oh, here's the MAC address it was using for that, included in the header. Here's the IP addresses, here's the ports. That's how the information is this is how you can view how information is sent between a client and a server.